Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a taskbar disappear in Windows 10. So how can fix it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first method is that type a press a button is Control Alt and Delete. Go to your task manager. Find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Select it and click on a restart. Click on OK button. After that, close it. The second method is that type a Windows and button R, open a run and type a control. Now open a control panel, go to your appearance and personalization, go to your taskbar and navigation, click on and make sure that automatically hide the taskbar is text mode is make sure that is off. Close it. The third method is that type a press a button window I, go to your system, go to your tablet, and when is sign in, select a never use tablet mode, select it and click on close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.